Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today we are going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's go and get right into this. So as you can see, this is pet teeth cleaning finger wipes, suitable for all pets. It has 50 different cleaning wipes in there. Let's go ahead and see how they work. So it comes sealed. You're just going to take this plastic thing off like so. Let's see. They're non-scented, and all you're going to do is grab one of these, and then you're going to stick it on your finger like so, and then clean their mouth. So let's go ahead and see how these actually work though. Okay, hi bullies. Get your teeth brushed.
Get your teeth brushed. He's like, that's not happening.
He's trying to eat it. I knew he was gonna try to eat it. He's a puppy.
Okay,
he's like, give me that back.
Give?
Oh, I'm gonna try this again. Hold on. Hold on. Does it really taste that good? Oh, actually, it's cleaning his teeth from him biting it. No. Dude, I got it. Get your teeth.
Just want to eat it.
He's just playing. Let go of it.
She's like chewy.
Do you want to take a picture with him? Okay. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.